orientations are a wonderful opportunity for schools to do effectively two things. One is an opportunity for the school to introduce the philosophy, the approach, the values of what the school stands for. And it's another great opportunity for the parents to kind of re-entrust that faith that they have in the choice they've taken. The first thing one has to remember is that most parents, especially when they are new, there's an element of anxiety. So a great way to quell that anxiety is to play maybe a game to kind of break the ice, a game to make that sense of comfort come into the parent body. So it could be a game about partnerships, or it could be a game about faith or trust. So that can be a game that can be done by the teachers.
What we are going to do is, this game is going to be a back-to-back game. The only task is that the balloon shouldn't fall down and it shouldn't burst. Hands free! See, how many left? Yes, Pooja's team. You and your partner can now hold your hand. Which will be set up, but we see your partnership, that tight holding of our hands together, so that we can traverse that journey with a lot of ease and with confidence.
Another wonderful way that schools tend to do this is to get their students to become ambassadors to play the game. So when parents see children becoming ambassadors for the game, there's this great sense, wow, our children are also going to be ambassadors of the school. The second thing that the school needs to do is to introduce the philosophy. You can do it by virtue of showing some of the past programs that the school has done and sharing what the school's stand is on principles, on routines, on values and processes and behaviors, on the academic program. So it is an opportunity again to meet the expectations both ways. You all are trusting your children to us. We are trusting yourselves and ourselves in this partnership. And a small glimpse of what it looks like in the game showed you a little bit about when you're handling hands together and not working against each other, how easy the journey becomes, how effortlessly we can reach our destination and our goal. And I think entrusting ourselves to this idea of education, that doing good and doing well are important ideas, and doing right by the child, no matter what happens. These are stories that have built Riverside. Again, once that is done, we meet with the parents of a particular grade and share what that first week might look like. Meaning there could be questions around, say, lunch routines, or it could be around the bus timings.
First month of June, from the 7th, from the 13th till the end of June, the timings will be from 8 to 1. Monday and Tuesday are going to be longer days, from 8 to 3. You have to send a snack and the lunch with your child. So at any point of time, any concern, you can call us.
Yeah. Once these elements are coming together, it further re-energizes the partnership between the parents and the school. And I think if you do that, the parents' trust increases, and that allows the school to continue to do great work.
It was fun for us, so we thought like it's fun for them also.
And I'm very much happy that orientation program has given us a very clear-cut view about how our child will grow, and we are very proud and happy to see what Riverside is doing with the children.